Hi everyone, I have a brand new Valentine card kit that I want to tell you all about tonight. It is called Celebrate Love. And first I'm going to show you what you'll get in the kit, and then I'll show you the 5 different Valentine cards that you'll make. So the very first thing is some pink cards and envelopes. And these are a very, very light bubble bath color. And hopefully you can see there's little white flowers printed on the card base. So let me know if you can see that. I'm not sure if it's coming through. So let me know if you can see that. And then it's includes 5 coordinating envelopes. So they're also pink with a white inside. So you'll get those 5 card bases and envelopes. And then you will get part of the Celebrate Love ephemera pack. And if you ordered the pack just in my online store, you would get 6 sheets. You would get 2 of each of these sheets. But in my Valentine card kit, you're going to get 1 of each sheet to make the 5 Valentines. So this one you can see is just gorgeous because it's got these like watercolored hearts and flowers. Really, really pretty. Then this one, my one little label fell out, which lets you know these are all die cuts, so they pop right out. You just add your stampin' dimensionals or whatever adhesive on the back. So there's labels here, a variety of them with different greetings. So like I said, this is a Valentine card kit. It makes 5 Valentines. If you don't need to make 5 Valentines right now, you can, use the lots of love or love you or, any of the other greetings, hugs. It doesn't have to be a Valentine card per se. So that is the second sheet. And then this sheet is super delicate. There's actually 3 separate pieces here. So this scalloped outside really thin border is one. And then you've got another heart right here. And then that smaller one that's got more of the floral flourishes in there. So you'll see all of these on the cards, so that'll make a little more sense. So you look and you see 4 hearts. It's actually 12 hearts because each of them have 3. Then there are these little pieces and then these like lattice border pieces as well. So you'll get a package in the mail that will have 1 of each of these sheets. It will have the 5 card bases with envelopes, and it will have some of these new sequins. These are actually ones that you can get free during celebration with your qualifying order. And I have gotten lots of these because I just love them, and they're kind of, iridescent. You can see the different colors, and they're so easy to use. The adhesive's right on the back, and they lay nice and flat, which when you're sending things, cards, projects in the mail, you need flat embellishments. So these are called purple adhesive back sequins, and what you'll get in your kit is a line of each color. So you'll get some from all 4 colors, and there's different sizes here. So there's the smaller ones and the bigger ones. So in each of the 4 colors, you will get 1 of the long strips that give you each size as well. So that's what the kit contents include. And then you'll get an email from me that will have a photo of the card and some instructions and tips for how to assemble these cards. So now the fun part. These are the 5 different Valentine cards that you will make with my Celebrate Love Valentine card kit. So this is the first one. You can see here I used let me pull this back in over here really quick. Let's just go like this. So you see all 3 parts here. This one has the middle and the smaller part. So I did not use the outline scallop on this particular card. So I added the little banners, 2 of the 3 hearts. This is popped up with dimensionals. There's a little rhinestone there, and then my greeting is popped up as well. Then there's this one where I took these 4 longer floral pieces and just made them into an oval and added a greeting down here. Now I really like this greeting, lots of love, but it's a little bit hard to see. So if you prefer something that shows up just a little bit better, you can use Be Mine or any of the other options that come in the kit. You'll have lots of pieces left over even after making these 5 cards. And then of course you can see the sparkle from the sequins. This one I really, really like. So this shows you that really thin outside edge, that really thin scalloped edge from the hearts. And then one of the watercolored hearts, some of the little flourishes down here, the flowers, the label, of course, another little banner, and the sequins. And then there's this one. I like this one a lot. I like them all, really. So you've got 2 different hearts on here, different white outlines of the hearts, more flowers. For this one, I took the Happy Valentine's Day banner, but I put one of these lattice pieces behind it. And then, of course, the sequins. And then finally is this one. And again, just that thin outline scallop. Added some flowers over on the side, which I like that look. And then the greeting and the sequin. So again, you get the 5 card bases and envelopes. You get 3 sheets of these die cuts from the Celebrate Love ephemera pack. And you'll get a strip of each of these sequins. So you'll have 4 colors, 2 sizes in each color. And then your kit will be everything you need and so much more to make these 5 Valentine cards. So I'm hoping that the photos that I share will capture the color just a little bit better, because I feel like these might look just a little bit washed out with the bright light that I'm using, and maybe you're not seeing, it is definitely a light pink, but I'm hoping that I can capture some photos that show the true colors just a little bit more. So if you are interested, all you need to do is PayPal, Venmo me $14, and that will include your card kit. That includes sending it in the mail to you, and that is due by January 20th, and then you'll get your kit and instructions in plenty of time to create these Valentines and get them in the mail to those you need to send them to. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.